What's going on, guys? My name is Joshua Daniel George, and in this video I am going to show you how you can get started with affiliate marketing and start earning money online as a complete beginner without any prior investments or experience. Now, with that said, before I actually start this video, I just want to give a quick mention that we have a free masterclass on how to go from zero to hero with affiliate marketing. Like I said, it's completely free, no strings attached, and it will all be linked in the description box down below. So if you want to know more about affiliate marketing and how you can get started right away, I highly recommend you check out that free masterclass. Now, with that said, let's get started. What's going on, guys, and welcome to the video. So as I already mentioned in the introduction, today we're going to look at Clickbank as a platform to get started with affiliate marketing if you are a complete beginner. Okay, so I'm going to explain to you the basics of Clickbank, what it is, what you can do, all the metrics and attributes, etc. So if you are a complete beginner, don't worry, I'm here to explain everything. And if there's anything that I have not explained in the video, all you need to do is leave a comment down below and I'll make sure to answer that as soon as possible. Now, with that said, if you want to check out my own channel, which is also all about Clickbank, etc., I will also leave that in one of the first comments down below. So you can check that out and follow me along with my journey on Clickbank as well. So if you are getting started with Clickbank, you need to go to clickbank.com and then you are brought to this page. So this is like the home page before you actually log in. So if you are a complete beginner, you click on the grey create account button, and this will bring you to like a sort of mini questionnaire to basically get your registration up and running. So as you can see here, create account, it's 100% free to join, and it literally is 100% free, no strings attached. So you don't need to there's no hidden payments or anything like that. Clickbank is a great way to get started, and it is basically how I got started with affiliate marketing as well. So you fill out your country. As you can see, this is a drop-down menu with all of the countries available. If your country is not available in the drop-down menu, then unfortunately Clickbank is not available for you. But as you can see, there are a lot of countries available here. So chances are, or it's almost 99% certain that your country will be here and is available. Now, in the off chance that your country is available and you fill out everything, you register for a Clickbank account and you get disapproved, which is a possibility, then check out the how to get your account or how to appeal your account video on my YouTube channel, which will basically take you through the steps of what you need to do to get your account approved anyway. Okay, so with that said, you fill out your country, your first name, your last name, your phone number, your email address, and your password. As you can see here, your password does need to contain 2 lowercase letters, 2 uppercase characters, 2 numbers, etc. You agree to the terms and conditions, and then you basically have your Clickbank account. Okay, now obviously I already have an account, so I'll just click on the sign in button and then click on sign in, which will bring me to the Clickbank dashboard. Let's wait for it to load. And there we go. So this is the first thing you see when you log into Clickbank. On the left hand side, you see a sales snapshot of what you've earned per day, and then you've got a weekly snapshot of what you've earned per week. Okay, then when you scroll down, you also have stuff like transaction quality, etc. as a vendor. So that means if you are promoting products yourself, or as an affiliate, which is when you are promoting other people's products. Okay, because on Clickbank you can basically do both of those things. If you have a product that you want other people to promote, you can add that product to the Clickbank marketplace, and then other affiliates can promote that product for you. Or if you don't have a product and you just want to earn money online, you can become an affiliate and then promote other people's products, and then you basically drive traffic to their landing page and sales page, etc. And then when they get a sale, which we'll get to in a moment, you get commission because they can see that sale has come through you. Okay, so the next thing you need to do is obviously find a product. In terms of the reporting, the account settings, etc., it's pretty straightforward. In terms of the reporting, you can see all the products that you promote. So every time you create a hop link, you can see that product here, and as you can see, these are the products that we are currently promoting and all of the sales that we are currently making. Okay, so when you go to marketplace, you are basically brought to like this library of products that you are eligible to promote. So on the left hand side, you've got all of the categories. We go from art and entertainment all the way down to travel, and there are over 21,000 products available for you to promote on Clickbank. So there's definitely a product here that basically you are passionate about and that you can promote and get earn a lot of money with. Within these categories, you also have subcategories or secondary categories, if you will. Just if you basically narrow down your search query to make it easier for you to find that specific product that you're looking for. Now, if you are a complete beginner and you have no idea what product to promote, I do highly recommend spending a couple of hours just looking at what products are available and what metrics those products have, which we'll get to in a moment. Or you can click on the magnifying glass here and you'll basically have like an entire library of products outside of the categories. So all of the products in those categories before are also available here, as you can see. So everything from keto diets to manifestation magic, overnight millionaire system, Ted's woodworking, etc. is all available in this drop down menu. Okay, on the left hand side, we can also filter to make, basically to filter down to the product that we want to promote. We've got gravity, which is basically a calculation of the amount of sales that have been made by individual affiliates in the last 12 weeks. Okay, so as you can see here, Leptotox has a gravity of 551, which basically means that in the last 12 weeks, there have been over 500 sales made by individual affiliates for this product. Okay, it's not exactly accurate because there's like corrections and there's bounce rates and there's all stuff that do add to the equation. So we can't say 551.9 sales have been made. Okay, that is not true. But basically the amount, the higher the gravity, the more popular that product is, and the more affiliates are promoting that product. Okay, so we can filter by gravity. We can filter by the average sale in dollars, which is the average sale a individual affiliate makes. The initial sale, which is the very first sale you make on the front end. So let's say a product costs $10 and then there's an upsell when they make that purchase to a $20 product, and a percentage of that, let's say 50% of the people that buy the first product also buy the second product. Then the initial sale is $10, but the average sale is between $10 and $20. Okay, so it could be $15, for example. Okay, the average rebuild total is if you are promoting subscription-based products that are, for example, I don't know, $5 a month, and the average lifetime value of a customer is 8 months, then it'll be 5 times $8 is $40, and that'll be the average rebuild total. The average percentage of sale is the amount of, like, literally the percentage of sales that are made, and the average percentage of rebuild. Again, it's basically pretty straightforward. You can also filter by new products. So if you want to find a product that is relatively unknown, you can filter that here. And time frame for my stats is the bottom one, the bottom metric that you can filter by. Now, moving on to attributes. As you can see on the left hand side, we've got shippable media, which it means physical products. We've got pitch plus is products with upsells. Required languages, again, it's pretty straightforward. One-time offers, which is a product that has no recurring billing or upsells or anything like that. It's literally a one-time product. We've got recurring billing, again, pretty straightforward. It's a subscription-based product. And then you've also got products with a $1 trial. Now, in terms of the required attributes, we also have affiliate tools, which basically allows the affiliate to use tools that other affiliates have used as well. For example, this is a product with an affiliate tool, because I've just filtered by it. If I click on that, and then let's see, yes, that is fine. Give me access. We can now see what other affiliates have used and gotten conversions with in the past. So, for example, emails that convert, videos that work, banners that have been used in the past with good conversion rates, product images, keywords, ad headlines, and so on and so forth. Okay, so those are affiliate tools, and they are great to use, and also to get the creative juices flowing if you want to, come up with your own copy and headlines, etc. Okay, another very important or very useful tool is the vendor spotlight, which basically gives us more insights into the products. So, for example, Cinderella Solution, click on the vendor spotlight for that product. And as you can see on the right hand side, we can see the trend in terms of the gravity. So even though the gravity is good, 295, as you can see, it is a downwards trend, which means that over time this product is cooling off. Another thing that's interesting to look at is the time of activation, which means that this product has been available since December of 2017, which is roughly 3 years ago, or 2 years really. So it has withstood the test of time. It's been on Clickbank for 2 years and still got a high gravity, which means that it is a very popular and effective product to promote. Okay, so that is it for the vendor spotlight. Then we've also got supported for mobile traffic. Again, pretty straightforward, means the landing pages are optimized for mobile. Recently promoted, again, it's all pretty straightforward, guys. I understand this. Vendor users exclusive whitelists is basically whitelists in terms of the landing pages, etc. So if you want to find that perfect product for you to promote, all you need to do is click on specific attributes and filter by specific metrics, and you can find that perfect product. What I usually do is sort by gravity and then switch on affiliate tools and vendor spotlight, and then I basically look through the most popular products and see if there's a product that I can promote via Facebook ads, which is the platform that I use to promote those products, okay? But that is completely up to you. You do not need to use Facebook ads. You can also use free traffic such as blogging. You can create your own website. You can set up YouTube videos that do a review on the product. You can also use Google ads. You can use native ads, Bing ads, Tumblr, Pinterest. There's so many ways of promoting products of Clickbank. The possibilities are endless, and you just need to find a flow that is right for you, okay? So if you decide upon a product, let's say we decide on Cinderella Solution, all you need to do is click on promote, which will then give you a hop link, which just means a link that makes it possible for the vendor to track that the sale has come from you. So if you copy this hop link, you will literally be brought to the sales page of that product. So as you can see, we now get the sales page of the Cinderella Solution. So from a customer point of view, they cannot see the differences in hop links. They just get sent to the sales page. But for the vendor, so the owner of this product, they can see that it's come from you. As you can see here, hop is Debaru, which is the name of our account. So they can see if we get a sale that it's come from us, we get commission, and obviously they get the sale, so everybody wins. Okay, so that is how you set up or start promoting your links. So what you can do is you can add this in terms of like the direct URL for Facebook. You can add this into your blog posts and so on and so forth. Okay, what you can also do is add tracking IDs to it as well, so that you can track where it's come from. So let's say you promote this on YouTube, you promote this on Facebook, and you promote this on your blog. You can add here. You can add your tracking ID here. So let's say YouTube, generate hop link, and then you can see it says TID, tracking ID is YouTube. Okay, so then when you get a sale through this link, the vendor knows it's from you, and then you can see that it's come from YouTube. So you know which traffic source got you that conversion. Okay, same goes for Facebook, generate hop link is Facebook, and so on and so forth. Okay, so that is it in terms of the hop link. In terms of the affiliate tools, like I said, everything is available on this link here. If you want to check out the landing page prior to deciding upon a product, all you need to do is click on that top link per product. So for example, numerologist, if we click on this, we are brought to the landing page of that product. You can check it out. You can see what the landing page looks like. You can see if it's worth your time promoting. And then, if you are happy with that product, you click on promote, and it will literally create the same link. I'll get to this in a minute. It'll literally create the same link as the sales page that you first saw. The only difference is it's got your ID in it, your tracking ID, so that the vendor can see that's come from you. Okay. Now, sometimes because Clickbank has a lot of affiliates, some vendors will actually have this where they need to pre-approve you before you can actually start promoting that product. That has got to do with bad traffic and people that are sending bad leads to the page where there's a lot of churn, a lot of people asking for refunds, etc. So the owner of Numerologist has actually required a pre-approval process, and if you want to promote this product, all you need to do is click on affiliates and then fill out the form, and they will decide if you are approved or not. Okay, so that is it from me for today. I hope you got something out of this. I hope this gives you a bit more of insight into Clickbank. It is pretty straightforward, guys. I highly recommend you just create an account and have a little mooch around the website. Like I said, everything is in marketplace, so everything that you need to promote is available here. And like I said, just play around with the gravity and the metrics to find that perfect product for you to promote. So hope you got some out of this. Hope you enjoyed this video. Leave this video with a thumbs up if you did, and subscribe to the channel for more. Also click on that little bell icon so you get a notification every time I upload. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
Are you struggling with your affiliate marketing business or want to take things to the next level? Allow me to introduce you to Dijs University. Dijs University is the #1 affiliate marketing training platform in the world. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced affiliate marketer, Dijs University offers you thousands of different videos with topics such as Facebook, volume, adplexity, and many more of your favorite topics. Step by step, you will learn the secret super affiliate ways to get the most out of each traffic source. Dominate each vertical with our detailed quick start guides. Are you ready to get started? Click the link in the description to sign up today.